Is tracing cheating when you're learning how to hand letter? Absolutely not. And that's why I created this cheat sheet book. Let me show you how it works. So inside the book, you'll see that each letter has two colors, okay? So there's pink and then there's purple. The pink is the upstroke. That reminds you, make it really thin. The purple is the downstroke. It reminds you to make it really thick. So this is a great practice book for you. I always recommend tracing paper when you're practicing. That way it protects your book, you have more control, and you feel more confident. The other thing I recommend is a Pentel brush pen. It's the one I recommend for all of my beginners. Brush pen is just a pen that's flexible, and so you can make it a wide stroke and a thin stroke. So here we go. We're going to start with the pink, and we're going to go light up, and then as we go around, we're going to press down. Remember, the pen is made to put pressure on it. We're going to go light up because that's pink, heavy down, and then heavy down, and then every time you go back up, it needs to be thin. Okay, how did we do? Let's do it again. Light up, curve around, heavy down, light up. And what's going to happen the more we do this? Make sure you get your practice in. That's how you're going to improve. That muscle memory needs to kick in, and then that way you'll be doing it on your own before you know it.